Hey everyone, it's Matt, White House Custom Color Client Success Manager, coming to you from beautiful downtown La Crosse, Wisconsin. We're outside of Mueller Photography right now. We just finished up a studio redesign for Adam Mueller and his beautiful space. I'm going to guess that this is going to be one of your biggest sellers. And I think that the 2040s non-traditional size, something that's a little bit more panoramic, people aren't used to seeing them, is going to be a big hit.
Thanks for checking out episode number 2 of Mueller Photography's Studio Makeover. We hope these sessions inspire you to elevate your game. So if you're interested in more information or your own studio makeover, let us know. We'll set up a one-on-one consultation for you. In the meantime, you know the deal. Information below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.